एक रोम रोम. हा तिरंगा घेऊन हाती नभी लहरवून उंच उंच जयघोष होती. जय हिंद, जय भारत. प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्या सर्वांना शुभेच्छा. A very good morning, Honorable Principal Officer, Supervisor, Mrs. Mumtaz Khani ma'am, and other present in the gathering here. I am Pallavi Shankarwal. I would like to welcome you all. How blissful this morning is, where we are gathered to celebrate our 72nd Republic Day. Let us begin today's event with 5 visuals of lighting the lamp. For this, I invite Principal Ganesh Padhi sir on stage to enlight the lamp. Light is symbol of truth, knowledge and understanding. Darkness is the absence of light. This lighting ceremony also relates to light. We should seek knowledge and truth and avoid ourselves from falling into the dark trap of life. आजचा सोहळा म्हणजे जनतेला गणतंत्र देण्याचा, आपल्या अधिकार कर्तव्याची जाणीव करून घेण्याचा. शतशत नामांच्या तेजोमय विभूतींना ज्यांनी अर्थ समजाविला खऱ्या स्वातंत्र्याचा. Now, I would like to call upon our Honorable Principal Sir to host national flag, symbol of our national pride and identity, and request to all to commemorate the flag hosting event following national anthem. National anthem is the heart of every Indian. I would like you to stand up.
झंडा गीत शुरू.
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी देश तिरंगा प्यारा. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी देश तिरंगा प्यारा. सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी देश तिरंगा प्यारा. शान न इसकी जाने पाए, चाहे जान भले ही जाए. विश्व विजय करके दिखलाए, तब होवे पूर्ण हमारा. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी देश तिरंगा प्यारा. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा.
भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. स्टैंडिंग. अटेंशन.
Justice, social, economical and political. Should not cross, expression, belief, faith and worship. Equality of status and of opportunity. And to know, among them all. Fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the nation. And Constitutional Assembly on 26th of November 1949. Do hereby adopt, enact, and Jai Hind.
Hands down. Ready?
Now I request Honorable Principal Sir to guide us on this special day.
Good morning all. Good morning, sir. respected teachers, I think alumni are also here, and my dear students. So we all know, we all are here to celebrate this 72nd Republic Day. I wish you all a happy, very happy Republic Day. All the alumni, please be here. So we all know why we are celebrating this day. On this particular day, in 1950, a great constitution came into force. We already got independence on 15th August 1947, but we were not having our own constitution. Later on, a drafting committee was appointed where Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman. As we were not having our own constitution, it is need of that particular time, and when the drafting committee was appointed, it has taken around 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. So afterward our constitution was where the whole contents of the constitution came into force on that particular day in 1950, 26 January 1950. But we already got the independence in 1947, but we were not republic. India were having various fragments, but when we got this constitution, we were liberal. What is the mean of this republic? It means the people got supreme power. The people, those who were living, and we are also living in this country, we got supreme power. We also got the power that the right to elect our own representatives. As political leaders, to lead the country in right direction. For India, Republic Day is not only a celebration, but it's the pride and honor for all of us. Today we are living in this stressless and free condition. It's because of our constitution, and also we were having the freedom fighters, then martyrs, great leaders like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Pandit Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, and many more. So we all know their contributions to our country. We all know we are living in such pandemic condition right now, but we are celebrating this 26th January with simple and sober manner. It doesn't mean we are not having, our heart is full with the nationality. Even we are celebrating it in simple manner. We should remember them, all the great leaders, on such great occasion, and we need to salute them. We must not forget their sacrifices. Let us pledge to take part in nation's building in our own unique ways. It is highly inevitable for all of us to uphold our rich traditions and cherish our culture. Students, we all know we have been facing lot of problems due to pandemic, COVID-19. But School of Scholars always have the solutions. We already started our classes from the month of April, and later on online classes, Zoom online classes and videos. As we are having lot of crisis, the conditions will be here, but we need to find out some solutions. Or all teachers, they strive for better, or management, or director Mr. Pillai sir, or joint secretary Mr. Avinash Selokar sir, or management committee Agnihotri group. We also got the support from Narayana group. So we all strive together for the betterment. And we all need to overcome all these situations. Still, we will have to face some problems due to COVID-19, but we must be ready to overcome all these problems. And I am sure my students, right from nursery to 11th standard, all will have the solutions on this problem. And especially 10th standard students are here. So we are having a lot of hopes from them. Yes, right? We all, right from management to all teachers, of course parents too. Okay? Still we are having few days left, 2-3 months. So we will have to strive for better. We are applying different strategies for you, not only for 10th standard, but I am saying it is from all the classes. And this day we are celebrating as the 72nd, it is 72nd Republic Day, not only for this particular day, but we have to feel pride and honor all the day for our tricolor. I want to say at last, we all must be united as our constitution provides us rights, fundamental rights, that also we know, right to equality, right against exploitation, right to speech, even we got the right RTE, right to education, and much more. So we all have to collect everything that we require in future from our constitution, and we feel proud for our nation. Not only for our nation, we need to respect others also. We hope for your better future. Standard 10 will face the board exam, and we will definitely have the best result. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now I would like to invite Atul Khatse sir to continue the program. Thank you very much.
Let us remember the golden heritage of our country and feel proud to be an Indian. Happy 72nd Republic Day to all. Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, invited guests, teachers and my dear students, and as well as alumni. First of all, I would like to thank to the CCA department for giving me the opportunity for this auspicious occasion, and it's a matter of honor for me. On behalf of school, I would like to thank you to Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Sir, for his cooperation and continuous striving for the betterment of our school. I would like to thank from my bottom of heart for the Department of Art, Music, CCA for their cooperation. I also want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers, teaching staff, non-teaching staff for the complete preparation of the program. Without the presence of students, this program would not have been possible. So I also thanks to all the students who have graced this occasion. Thank you all.